Alright, here we are. My name is Jung Min Cho, and I'm recording this the last day of 2025. Happy New Year. Um, so, little quick view. I'm going to solve the Leetcode. Well, Leetcode per se, but I think he did pretty good. So I'm gonna solve his problem. I already solved some of them, but I didn't have mic at the time, so I'm trying to solve it from now on. So let's see. So valid palindrome. So given string s, return true if it's palindrome, otherwise false. So basically, if something is like LL, this is true. L L I false. It is case sensitive. Ignore non-alphanumerical characters. So one thing I should consider about is case sensitive. And it is case sensitive. So does it mean consider case sensitive? No. So basically, the string itself is contain case sensitive, but the the thing is, actually, when we check in the palindrome, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing correctly, but when you check it in palindrome, it is about just um, alpha, alphabets and numbers. Doesn't matter case sensitive or not. Yeah, see, I didn't see the explanation. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Um, so we have to think about it first. Let's think. Um, so let's say there's some kind of input, and um, I need to check about like two pointer because the question mark is not considered because it will be um, not needs to be considered. So we basically move one pointer by one pointer, and we keep checking. So in order to do that, we need two things. So first, we need to sanitize. Sanitize? Is that how we spell? Um, then we need to lower alphabet. So sanitize will handle spaces and special characters. And lower alphabet will do. And once we have that, we have such thing. So from now on, all we need to do, we need to have a two pointer and just move together. Like if it's true, true. If it's true, true. So increment. So one pointer increments is plus, and second pointer increments to length of the string -1. So that's the, I think, Um, so this will be all at top of n, which is linear. Okay. Let's see. Let me think if there's any like edge cases. Like, what if it's just extremely short? Yeah, still work. We just need to condition that first pointer and second pointer. It's like second pointer always has to be bigger. I think that is the case. So let's code. First, I'm not a Python expert, so I'm like in the beginning probably I'm gonna use some internet. So Python sanitize string. So let me rejoin. No. Maybe is it albanum? Okay, how to use it? So okay, I'm just gonna copy only that part. So it's just for the garlic shake. So sanitized. Actually, let's do the lowercase too. So just lower. So that's it. So let's. So lower first. Lower alpha. That's and sanitized. So for x in s, we are these. So no, okay, it's not all, right? Yeah. So if alpha num is any, maybe this could be redundant, but okay. So now we have the sanitized version here. So which means we need 2 pointers. So what should I call first? First PTR 0. So because this first pointer will be always the second pointer. Start with the length of Sani. Notable. So now we have to loop in range of Sani. So if Sani at first pointer equals to Sani at second pointer, we proceed. Proceed means basically we are adding. I think Python doesn't have the pre-increment or post-increment. I could be wrong. I'll check it later. So this is success, but the thing is, if it's not the same, we just return false here. False. And theoretically, if everything went well, we return true. So we exactly return true, and we because we need to set the. So let me think if it's the same one. Should I break already? Yeah, it is. I think so. So let's check the implementation. Am I doing right? I am stupid. And yeah, if the syntax are correct, it should be working. Let me check run. Okay, syntax is wrong. What? Oh, I'm not accessing like that. Oh, right. I just need to just add it, not just checking boolean. Now what? So string object has no all, so I need to check it again. So Python string add. Okay, I just need to access like that. So just simple stuff. And what? And I'm stupid. Alright, so why did it return false? Why? It is something that. Well, let's do the fun part, debugging. And let's check the actually desanitization and lower alphabet worked. So lower alphabet worked, but yes, cause I need to check insanity, not the string itself. Alright, so case 1 done, case 2, tap is a cat, but Sani, so lower works. Sani tized didn't work. Why? What happened? It looks correct. Yeah, what happened? Actually, wait. This thing that it's not working either. Am I doing something wrong? The hell? Actually, not Sani. I'm checking the. I need to check from the lower. Not Sani, cause Sani is empty, so we are checking empty, and this is dumb. Yeah, so it should work. Alright, so it worked. Let's review. Review that it is good enough. So being lower probably this is ON. internally. So this is another ON situation. And this is the hop of ON, the worst cases. So space, just be like complexity wise, space still ON, space still ON. Worst case. So there's some 2, and this is, we are just creating temporarily a range here, so I'm not probably should be destroyed by here, but I'm not sure. But so let's keep it. So my current approach right now was 2n plus 2 to the over 2. Complexity, that's complexity space-wide still. So can we reduce it? We don't need to do lower first, I think. Here. So let's do sanitize first. Then we lower. In that case, page complexity 1 reduce still internally. So I think we could have done better here. So we just need to X lower. So in that case, we getting rid of the lower thing completely. So let me check if it's still working. Yeah, it's good. So let me think about it. And do we need 2 pointers? I mean, we do need 2 pointers. The question is, do I need them as a variable? We are known that like something is being increased. We know that is the I. So we just need to be careful about this. So let's remove it. I just need I. Second pointer here, I just need like this. So first pointer will be I. In that case, it should still working. Let me double check. Yeah, it's working. Now, can we reduce more? I mean, I can put them in here, but the question is save? So now we just need space of complexity 1. Yeah, so that was the previous base, and this should be 2 on space complexity. It became just n. Yeah, it's just n. So I think that is the um, optimal. Not the optimal, but as far as I can tell. And let me check the solution. Let me check how we hate it. Okay, and what the hell is this? It's reverse string. I think this is more complex. But we all have the um, difference. So, oh, this is more similar approach. So, I guess this is working. So, anyhow, right now is I'll stop and I'm gonna look into his solution. So, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.